In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and activate Contact Form 7 on your WordPress site. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just getting started, adding a contact form is an excellent way to make it easy for your website visitors to reach out to you. Let's dive in and get this contact form up and running. First things first, let's navigate over to your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center of your website, where you can manage all your site's content, appearance, and functionality. Once you're in the dashboard, look to your left-hand side where you'll find a menu. From there, we'll head over to the Plugins section. Now, a plugin is essentially a tool that adds specific features and functionality to your website without you having to code anything from scratch. In the Plugins section, you'll see an option that says Add New. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can browse through all the plugins that are available on WordPress. In the search bar on the right side, type in Contact Form 7. This is one of the most popular and flexible contact form plugins available, allowing you to create clean and simple contact forms with great ease. Once you've typed Contact Form 7 and hit Enter, you should see it appear in the list below. Identify Contact Form 7 among the search results, and when you're ready, click on the Install Now button. The clicking of this button initiates the downloading process, and WordPress takes care of the technical details, fetching the necessary files from the WordPress plugin repository. After the installation is complete, you'll notice that the Install Now button has transformed into an Activate button. Click on Activate. Activation is key because until a plugin is activated, WordPress doesn't actually use it on your website. Once activated, you'll notice a fresh addition to your WordPress menu on the left-hand side. This will be labeled Contact, and it's there that we'll do any future configurations or setups related to this plugin. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and activated Contact Form 7 on your WordPress site. Now, you're ready to create contact forms and manage submissions seamlessly. As you continue to integrate and customize this on your site, remember to explore the various configuration options it offers to better suit your needs. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we'll delve into creating your first contact form with Contact Form 7 and customizing it to match your website's design. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and informative.